This is the
'Cause it's
fire.
a bittersweet symphony that's life.
If you're an independent artist, you're in the right spot right now. Make sure to send a video link to code7@gmail.com. KODESE7EN.
My companion is the city, so I'm never alone.
Come on.
Stepping in and out of gaps of the pavement cracks. If I go to sleep now, that's an anticlimax.
Come on.
People rise for work and the sun mirrors that. A perfect juxtaposition for those out on the lash. Bear with me, it's beautiful, I think it's irrefutable. There's beauty in the contradicting Britain, indisputable. Junkie in the queue.
I don't know nothing about Britain, but Britain sounds like every hood in America, and that's crazy. Hood project that you hear of when you hear the hip-hop music in America. I don't know nothing about Britain. Like, I would think it's like, you know what I'm saying? This is, okay, let's go.